Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Pavitra Shetty, and if in case you're watching me for the first time, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and join my family. So without further ado, let's just get started with today's video. Today's video I'm gonna be sharing about pads, what, when and how to wear it. So my beautiful ladies, please stay with me for this video and let's get started with this one. So I'll be sharing about pads, like what, when and how to wear them. It's just a normal general tip that I want to give it to you in this lockdown. And जब lockdown हुआ था मुझे लगा था पहला चीज़ जो boom हुआ था मेरे दिमाग पर वो था obviously pads. I really wanted to get them, so I just thought why not to make a video on this lockdown for my beautiful ladies out there. So let's get started with this. Okay. So if in case I'm talking about these pads, so obviously I have to give a little information about tampons and menstrual cup. So I'll be giving you a basic information about this, but if in case you ask me if I'm using these products, no, I've never used tampons or neither I have used menstrual cup. If I would be using it, I don't know, मैं अभी hesitate कर रही हूँ, but maybe I would go for menstrual cup, but that too I'll be asking my doctor. I'll consult with her and then only I'll go with that. Other than that, before that, I won't be doing anything with that. So let's get started and let's just talk about tampons. Now, what is tampons and how they look like? Tampons is just like that. There will be picture flashing up right here. इस तरह से दिखता है ये tampon. They have this string attached to it. I just feel a little discomfort even seeing it, but this is how it look like. And they have this in different sizes. There are a lot of brands that have been doing this. In abroad, they are very well known and they have lot of product and very much into this. But in India, it has just started and we are getting to know about this. So yeah, and even these things they come in different sizes और इसको भी regular intervals में जैसे आप pads change करते हो इसको भी आपको वैसे ही change करना है. Now pad is an outer layer and this would go inside your vagina, so that is the one thing difference between this. And this can be a bit of comfort zone because it's not like pad, but also you have to wear a kind of a panty liner or you have to wear a kind of a slight thin pad so that if in case अगर वो over bleed होकर if there is any kind of a droplet falling, it won't fall onto your panties, it would fall onto your pads. So it's just a kind of a safety. So that is what you have to make sure when you wear tampons. Number two is menstrual cup. If in case you don't know, like me, how it look like. I know kind of a basic definition, but if in case you don't know, this is how it is. This is what it look like. Even like tampons and pads, menstrual cup also comes in different sizes. They also come in small, large, medium, depending upon your age. So that is the reason I told you before using these tampons and menstrual cup, please go and consult with your doctor how to use them, because it's really different because you're putting this inside your vagina. And but the only main, and it's not only the best thing about this menstrual cup is that it is really eco-friendly, unlike pads, because pad is not recyclable and it is not at all eco-friendly, but these are eco-friendly and these pads are affordable. अगर अभी आप पूछोगे कि अब इसका जो रेट है वो 999 होता है या 1000 रुपीज़ होता है, तो ये affordable कैसा है? It's affordable because you can use this for like I think for 3 to 5 years. The average duration or expiry of this menstrual cup is for 3 to 5 years. Plus you can just remove it, you can wash it, you can sanitize it and use it again. So this is reusable one, so this is eco-friendly. And what more, and plus ये आपको expensive नहीं लगेगा because हम लोग अगर 5 साल में if you just calculate the pad rate or the expenses that we put it for purchasing pad is more than that of one menstrual cup. So that is a kind of a wide range में benefiting for us. So that is one of the best thing when it comes to menstrual cup. If you ask me, am I going to use it in future? Maybe yes, but I would definitely go and ask my doctor first and then I would do that, because जैसे कि मैंने कहा इसमें बहुत सारे factors होते हैं, इसके अलग अलग sizes होते हैं, plus इसके लिए आपको they consider your age factor, they consider if you're married, they consider about your given birth to a child or not. Depending upon that, the sizes are there and then you have to wear them. So please go and first talk to your doctor and then start using it and let me know if in case it was better or not, just to get an idea. So now we'll be talking about pads. Now let's get started with the pads. So first thing first of all, I would like to talk about is panty liners. Or what is panty liners? Panty liners is just like a pad, but it is a small version of pad. It comes something like that. और इसके भी brands होते हैं. There are a lot of brands that make these kind of panty liners. They also come in different sizes, small, big, large, anyone you can wear it. Are they a kind of an high observing? No, not at all. It's just a kind of a protective kind of a thing which can help you out in when you're bleeding. So it is kind of an helpful for you when you are not sure when you're gonna bleed, when you're gonna have your germs. So तभी आपको ये आप ये पहन सकते हो just to feel secure. Number 2, it is also helpful for white discharge. Like at times we girls have this kind of a white discharge going near our private areas. So just to feel a little bit confident about ourselves or kind of a little bit relief from that wetness, these kind of panty liners actually help us out. So most of the people are not aware about panty liners, so you can also replace this panty liners with any kind of less expensive pads. Now less expensive pads are the pads that cost beneath rupees 25 or 25. The one that I use it is from the brand called Whisper Aloe Vera, and this one is just for rupees 25, and this is a pretty longer size, you can just see it. And these are the pads, like you can use it like an just like a panty liner. ये आप like first 3 days में तो use ही नहीं कर सकते. It is of no use. In fact, you can use it just a kind of a safety purposes जहाँ पे आपको लगता है you're not sure about your churning. Or number 2, you can use it on 4th or 5th day. That is when you bleed just a kind of a droplet. That time it is one of the benefiting pad because अब आपको waste नहीं करना है. Like why you wasting the expensive ones? Like if you can just put these kind of pads and use it. So that is the kind of a tip I wanted to give it to you with this. Number 3, I also use this less expensive pads as a kind of an expandable pad for my period where I'm churning for 3 days where I bleed a lot. So what I do is basically I put a kind of expensive pad and then layer it up beneath with these pads so that it can give me a kind of a better coverage. And it can also, it's just like a diaper, if you can understand. It would go from starting up from my vagina till your butt, and it is like it gives you a better coverage for you in that particular area. So I use it as an expandable one. So again, that is one of the tips that I can give it to you of using these less kind of expensive pads. Number 3 is expensive pads. That the one that I use is from the brand called Whisper Maxi Fit regular ones. Now these ones which I use are for rupees 150 or 145, somewhat like that. So these ones I use it for just for 3 days. And just a tip for you all also, you can use them for starting 3 days where you bleed a lot. For the 4th, 5th, 6th, if in case you're bleeding even on 6th day, you can use these kind of pads, or even you can go for panty liners. If in case you're not comfortable with these, you can use these kind of pads. So that has been well known for the Indian people. So that's it for this video, and I hope in this lockdown I have made something on pad kind of a video where people could not find some it's very difficult to find pads, because even for me it was difficult to get that expensive pads. So abhi usko bachane ke liye I have to use these kind of pads, so that these pads, so it's just kind of an idea jahan pe aap 4th day mein isko replace kar sakte ho, to fir wo us pad ko aapko waste क्यों करना है. So I just thought why not I need to share these kind of an ideas and tips with all the beautiful ladies out there who need it, and just a kind of giving them a kind of an idea about this pads and how it works for all the teenagers out there. So these was my ideas, my views, my reviews, my kind of a tip for all the beautiful ladies out there and all the teenagers out there. I hope I had helped you in some way or the other, and if in case I have helped you, and if in case you stayed by till this end of the video and you have liked this video, please make sure you give this video a big like and also subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's it. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll be back with more videos. Take care. Bye bye babies. Love you.